Welcome to a deep dive into Queensland Rail's new generation rolling stock, the NGR fleet. Today, we're going to explore every aspect of these high-tech trains, from their design and development to the passenger experience and the unique challenges they face along the way. So get comfortable as we embark on a comprehensive journey into one of the most advanced train fleets in Australia. Chapter 1: Background of the NGR. Let's start with some background. The NGR trains were introduced to address growing demand across Queensland's public rail network. Back in 2014, the Queensland Government awarded a contract to the QTETIC Consortium, a partnership between Bombardier Transportation, Itochu, John Lang, and Aberdeen Assess Management. This deal marked a significant departure from tradition. It was the first time Queensland Rail had opted to manufacture its electric trains internationally, rather than locally in Maryborough. The goal was simple: bring a fleet of high-capacity, modern trains to Queensland that could elevate the passenger experience, streamline operations, and bring the network closer to international standards. But as we'll see, this journey was far from simple. Chapter 2: The Design and Development. Now let's talk about the design. Manufactured by Bombardier in Savli, India, each NGR train has a sleek modern look, with an aerodynamic nose cone that helps reduce drag and gives the train a futuristic appearance. Unlike the older fleets that have exposed couplers, the NGR trains have a more integrated, seamless design. Each train consists of 6 cars, measuring a total of 146 meters in length. The train's design allows for continuous, walkable gangways between each car, creating a more spacious feel and allowing for free movement along the train. This is a huge step forward from Queensland Rail's traditional 3-car units, which had to be coupled to form a 6-car set. Chapter 3: Technical Specifications. Diving deeper into the technical specifications, the NGR trains are packed with advanced technology. Let's start with the power system. These trains operate on a 25 kilovolt AC power system sourced from overhead catenary lines. Electricity is delivered to the train via pantograph, the arm-like device you'll see on top of the train that makes contact with the power line. In terms of propulsion, the NGR uses Bombardier's mid-track traction system, which features IGBT-VVVF inverters and 3-phased AC induction motors. What does that mean in plain terms? Basically, this setup gives the NGR a smooth and efficient ride, with the power and torque you needed to accelerate it up to its maximum speed of 140 km per hour, or about 87 miles per hour. Chapter 4: Interior Layout and Amenities. Stepping inside, the interior of the NGR is spacious and thoughtfully designed to cater the needs of commuters. Each train can carry up to 964 passengers, including both seated and standing passengers, with 454 seated and 510 standing spaces. The seats are high-backed for added comfort, and there's plenty of storage space under the seats for luggage, a feature especially useful for those travelling to and from the airport. These trains also feature dedicated bike storage areas, marked by safety straps so cyclists have a secure place for their bikes. Other amenities include free Wi-Fi, CCTV for security, and a baby changing station in the accessible bathroom. Unlike previous models, the NGR focuses on providing a better passenger experience by catering to various needs. Chapter 5: Accessibility and Controversy. But as with any major project, the NGR trains weren't without issues. In fact, they faced significant controversy soon after their release. The problem? Accessibility. It turned out that the trains didn't fully comply with Australia's Disability Discrimination Act. Specifically, the accessible toilet modules were too small for wheelchair users by just a margin of just 12 millimeters. This seemingly small oversight led to a substantial problem, requiring all trains to be modified to meet the necessary standards. Donor Rail, based in Maryborough, took on the refurbishment project, updating the toilet modules and making various adjustments to improve accessibility across the entire fleet. This work took several years to complete, but as of July 2024, all NGR units now meet the required accessibility standards. Chapter 6: Safety and Advanced Technology. Now let's take a look at the safety and technological features of the NGR fleet. Each train is equipped with a variety of safety systems, such as the Automatic Warning System and the European Train Control System, or ETCS. These systems work together to monitor train speeds, enforce safe braking distances, and alert drivers if any issues are detected. What especially noteworthy about the NGR is its compatibility with the Cross River Rail project, an underground rail line currently under development in Brisbane. The NGR and upgraded SMU 260 units are the only trains in Queensland that are authorised to operate in these new tunnels, thanks to their compatibility with ETCS. Chapter 7: Routes and Network Coverage. When it comes to coverage, the NGR trains are a central part of the Queensland Rail City network. They serve nearly every line, including popular routes like the Airport Line, Gold Coast Line, Doomben, Ipswich and Caboolture lines. However, you won't find NGR trains on the Beenleigh, Ferny Grove or Rosewood lines due to various operational limitations. Initially, the NGR trains were confined to the Airport and Gold Coast lines, but at the time of their 2018 Commonwealth Games, they had expanded to cover several other key routes, helping to alleviate crowding during peak events. Chapter 8: Maintenance and Operations. The NGR trains are maintained at a specialised depot near Walkiraka Station, west of Ipswich. This state-of-the-art facility was purpose-built to support the NGR fleet, featuring advanced equipment for inspections, repairs and even software updates. Routine maintenance here ensures the trains remain reliable and safe for Queensland Rail's thousands of daily passengers. A key aspect of maintaining these trains is the software updates, which help keep the safety and operational systems up to date. This is especially crucial as the NGR's technology continues to evolve with network needs. Chapter 9: Passenger Experience and Public Perception. So what's the feedback from passengers? Despite early controversy, the NGR trains have become a reliable and popular choice among commuters. Passengers appreciate the modern design, the increased space, and the improved comfort. Features like Wi-Fi, CCTV, and secure bike storage have helped the NGR win favour. And today, the fleet is an essential part of Queensland Rail's network. Public perception has improved as well. particularly since the accessibility issues were addressed. With these upgrades, the NGR fleet is now seen as a progressive and accessible option, aligning well with Queensland Rail's goal of providing a high-quality commuter experience. Chapter Head: The future of the NGR. Looking ahead, the NGR fleet is expected to play a central role in Queensland's transport future. As population growth continues, there may be a need for additional NGR-like units or further upgrades to the current fleet. With its comparability for future projects, like the Cross River Rail, the NGR is positioned to meet the network's growing demands. In fact, the NGR's design and technology may well serve as a blueprint for future trains, particularly those needed for other expanding areas of the network. The new generation Rollingstock is more than just a train. It's a symbol of modern transportation in Queensland. Through a journey of design, controversy and adaptation, these trains have become a staple of a commuter experience in Queensland. They showcase the benefits of innovation and the commitment to providing a reliable, comfortable and accessible transit option. Thank you for joining me on this in-depth journey into the world of the NGR trains. If you found this review helpful, please like, subscribe and stay tuned for more deep dives into transportation and infrastructure. Until next time, keep exploring and